Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing one of the most frustrating errors that can occur in software development, the IndexOutOfBounds exception in Gremlin console. If you're a developer who's worked with graph databases or Gremlin queries, chances are you've encountered this error at some point. In this video, we'll break down what causes this error, how to identify it, and most importantly, how to fix it. The IndexOutOfBounds exception is an error that can occur when working with Gremlin queries, particularly when traversing graphs or accessing vertex properties. This error can be tricky to diagnose and resolve, especially for those new to graph databases or Gremlin. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what causes this error and how to overcome it. So let's dive into the details of the IndexOutOfBounds exception in Gremlin console. To understand this error, we need to first understand how Gremlin queries work. When you write a Gremlin query, you're essentially traversing a graph data structure. This traversal can involve accessing vertex properties, edges, or other elements within the graph. Now, when you access an element within the graph, Gremlin uses an index to quickly locate that element. Think of an index like a map that helps Gremlin navigate the graph more efficiently. However, sometimes this index can become outdated or corrupted, leading to an IndexOutOfBounds exception. But what causes this index to become outdated or corrupted? There are several reasons why this might happen. One common reason is when you're working with a large dataset, and the index hasn't been properly updated after adding new data. Another reason could be due to concurrent modifications made to the graph while a query is being executed. To identify an IndexOutOfBounds exception, look out for error messages that indicate an index out of bounds or index not found exception. When you encounter this error, it's essential to inspect your Gremlin query and the data you're working with to determine the root cause. Now, let's talk about how to fix this error. The solution depends on the specific cause of the issue. If the problem is due to an outdated index, you might need to re-index your graph or update the existing index. This can be done using Gremlin's built-in indexing mechanisms or by manually updating the index. Or if the issue is due to concurrent modifications, you may need to revisit your application logic to ensure that queries are properly synchronized and don't interfere with each other. So, what are the key points to take away from this discussion? Firstly, the IndexOutOfBounds exception in Gremlin console occurs when an index becomes outdated or corrupted. Secondly, identifying the root cause of the issue is crucial to resolving it. Finally, fixing the error involves updating or re-indexing your graph data structure. The IndexOutOfBounds exception can be a frustrating error to encounter, but by understanding its causes and how to resolve it, you'll become more proficient in working with Gremlin queries and graph database. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If you found this video informative, be sure to like it and subscribe for more content on software development and technology-related topics. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.